Hi everyone, Namaste. Conscious or unconscious, sooner or later, we all go through a different experience called spiritual awakening. Yes, it is spiritual awakening. So, in all spiritual blogs, in spiritual videos, do talk about this term spiritual awakening. So, what exactly is spiritual awakening? So let me share you some common and some simple signs and symptoms of awakening which would help you to identify yourself. So spiritual awakening is an awareness of your own true self. It's gradual and intentional process of seeking the truth. It's a stepping stone which leads to explore your inner self, and it instigates to transform by finding one's own true nature. So, no person can fully define a spiritual awakening to another. Of course, each person has a different outlook on life and define things differently. It can happen at any moment or any period of time in your life. For few, this could be a subtle feeling of not belonging in this world or be curious about life after death. For many, it begins with a questioning of their everyday life and wanting to break away from ego that is focused on materialistic goals and dreams. So, everyone experiences their spiritual awakening differently. So, dear viewers, please note that no sign is more important than the other, and you do not need to experience all of these signs in order to have confirmation. So ultimately, your own experiences and how you interpret it with is what is more important. So common sign and symptoms are: the first symptom is feeling different perceptions. You begin to see entirely different you. You will become a keen observer of your thought process. You find yourself following and sticking to your authentic self. You start questioning yourself: who am I? You feel you don't belong to your own body structure, and you start losing your identity. You start exploring what's your true purpose. So, going further, the next symptom will be staying in solitude. You wouldn't be willing to participate in social gathering. You want to unclutter yourself from big groups. In fact, you prefer staying alone and enjoy your own company. Next is appearing of different sign and synchronicity. You might notice repeated number each time you feel and connect with synchronicity. You will get an answer to your questions or problems accidentally in specific situation. You start getting communications from universe. Next sign will be with vivid dreams. Your dreams will be so real that you wake up in confused state. Many dreams may be mystical, like appearance of spiritual sage or getting guidance from spiritual masters. Some dreams would be strange and you would get answers for your inner queries. So the next sign would be with hearing and visualizing. You start hearing some different sounds like bees buzzing, ringing, or as if someone calling out your name. So related to visualization or sight, you see glittering particle, auras around people, plant or animals or objects. You may also visualize different geometrical shapes and brilliant colors when you close your eyes. And sometimes you visualize some air bubbles in blue color flying in the air, and you can visualize over a long period of time. So, when you experience spiritual awakening, you may look crazy or you may think you are going crazy, but actually you are all right. Sometimes it can be painful emotionally because we shed away many of our constructive belief pattern, inner and outer, that we had surrounded ourselves with and accumulated over the course of many lifetimes. So, sign and symptoms will not be lost longer. So, keep meditating continuously, keep introspecting your thoughts, enjoy your own self, follow your heart, and the way will open up for you Please do comment if you are going through different experience in the comment section below. So have a nice time. Shubhamastu.